Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, my dear.
You and I till the end. Don't need to pretend. Again and again, we'll stick together. Everything is alright with you by my side. We won't say goodbye. We'll stick together. I can pick you up when you're heading down.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear mommy. Happy birthday to you. Cha-cha chicken!
Yay!
Bye bye.
Are you one? Are you two?
Are you one? Are you two? Are you three?
40, 100.
Are you 40?
जन्मदिन की बहुत बहुत शुभकामनाएं रीना बेटा। भगवान आपकी सारी मनोकामनाएं पूर्ण करे। हैप्पी बर्थडे टू यू। हैप्पी बर्थडे टू यू। हैप्पी बर्थडे रीना बेटा। तुम जियो हजारों साल, साल के दिन हो 50,000।
रीना बेटा, many happy returns of the day. May God bless you with all happiness, good health and long life. Happy birthday.
तुम आई एक अरमान बनके, हमारी पूरी पहचान बनके, रहो आसमान में चमकते चांद बनके, हमें गर्व है तुम्हारा बागवान बनके। जन्मदिन की हार्दिक शुभकामनाएं, जीते रहो, खुश रहो।
बार बार दिन ये आए, बार बार दिल ये गाए, तू जिए हजारों साल, ये मेरी है आरज़ू। हैप्पी बर्थडे टू यू। हैप्पी बर्थडे टू यू। हैप्पी बर्थडे डियर सिस्टर। हैप्पी बर्थडे टू यू। हैप्पी बर्थडे रीना। एंजॉय योर डे, हैव फन, सी यू सून, बाय।
Hi Reena, we've been family for more than 15 years now, and you are the link that holds everyone together. I wanted to wish you that you become stronger and healthier with each passing year. Wish you a very happy birthday, and just so you know, you're the youngest 40-year-old that I know of.
Hey Reena, happy birthday. Thanks for being so awesome. I wish to see you soon. Enjoy your day. Take care. Bye-bye.
हैप्पी बर्थडे रीना, मे गॉड ब्लेस यू। एंड विराज की तरफ से भी हैप्पी बर्थडे बुआ।
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Make a wish come true. Make a wish come true. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Which cake you would like? Which cake you would like? Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Which gift you would like? Which gift you would like? Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Make a wish it will come true. Make a wish it will come true. Happy birthday to you, Rita Masi.
Happy
Happy birthday.
birthday, Mossy.
Happy
Birthday.
Mosi.
Mossy, enjoy.
Enjoy.
Have fun.
Have fun.
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
Take care.
Tika.
See you.
See you.
Miss you.
Miss you.
Bye.
Bye.
Happy birthday, Reenu Didi. This is our entire crew from Houston. Amaya, want to say happy birthday to Masi?
Happy birthday.
Avika. she shares the same birthday as you. Wish you a great 40th. Enjoy your day.
Happy birthday. Have a wonderful 40th.
हाय हैप्पी बर्थडे। तो मेरे 40th पे मैं तेरे 40th के लिए रिकॉर्डिंग कर रही हूँ। विश यू अ वेरी वेरी हैप्पी बर्थडे। होप यू हैविंग अ ग्रेट डे एंड आई मस्ट टेल यू यू हैव अ वेरी नाइस सेट ऑफ फ्रेंड्स एंड अ वेरी नाइस हस्बैंड जो ये सब तेरे लिए कर रहे हैं। सो जस्ट एंजॉय द टाइम, एंजॉय विद योर फ्रेंड्स, एंजॉय विद योर फैमिली एंड हैव अ ग्रेट 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 बर्थडे। बाय, लव यू।
Happy birthday, Reena. Wishing you a very, very happy birthday. Hope you have a wonderful day.
राजीव रीना से अच्छे गिफ्ट जरूर देंगे, अर्जुन से और आयशा से
हम
सबसे।
पूछेंगे बाद में, पूरी रिपोर्ट लेंगे। एंड डोंट फॉरगेट 40s द न्यू 30s इन दिस एरा। बहुत सारी विशेस हमारी तरफ से एंड बच्चों ने अलग से विशेस देने की कोशिश करी है। होपफुली यू लाइक देम, सो दे आर कमिंग अप। चलो एंजॉय योर डे एंड टॉक सून। बाय बाय।
Hi Rina Masi. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday.
Hi Rina, happy birthday. Today you have reached a milestone. Today lots and lots of happiness and love to you, my dear. And 3 cheers to our long phone calls and awesome memories. Bye-bye.
हेलो, हैप्पी बर्थडे। कैसी है? आई होप यू आर डूइंग वेरी वेल। हाँ, इट्स बीन टू लॉन्ग। हम बस बात ही करते रहते हैं फ़ोन पे, बट मिले नहीं हैं। बट यू आर वन पर्सन जिसको मैं कभी भी फ़ोन कर सकती हूँ, किसी भी टाइम पे, किसी भी सिचुएशन में। एंड जब भी बात करो इट्स लाइक कि कभी बस बात वहीं से स्टार्ट हो जाती है। रीना, इट्स बीन ऑलमोस्ट लाइक कितने 21 ईयर्स हो गए हम दोनों को साथ में एक दूसरे से बात करते, एक दूसरे से जानते हुए। एंड जब रिमेंबर फर्स्ट टाइम मिले थे तो लाइक कैसे होगी फ्रेंडशिप? वी आर 2 poles अपार्ट, बट डेफिनेटली यू हैव बीन वन पर्सन हु इज़ ऑलवेज देयर फॉर मी। हाँ, बहुत कुछ शेयर करना है, बहुत कुछ बातें करनी है रीना। लेट्स सी, ऑन योर बर्थडे आई मेक अ विश कि हम जल्दी मिलें, खूब सारा अपनी इमोशन शेयर करें, बातें शेयर करें। बहुत कुछ चल रहा है, बट राइट नाउ enjoy your day, have fun, and let's see. Vani, please make sure that you share some videos of our birthday again with me. And thank you for being there for me. Thank you for being like you know it that you are just like a sister to me. So all the best. Happy birthday again, and may God bless you with all his best wishes, dear. And jaldi milte hain. Okay, bye, take care.
Hi Reena, first of all wish you a very very happy and a wonderful birthday. You've been my guide, my mentor, and more importantly a friend since I started my journey with TCS. And we have shared such an amazing time together at Offshore, from planning inauguration activities for Noida 3 CVS ODC to our lunches, to Tapri Wala Chai, to our walks, and to Onshore's never ending conversations about the SWAT adjustment tickets, and to bitching everyone and everything about TCS. I was very overjoyed when you came to Chicago and we were able to meet after such a long time. कभी ऐसा लगा ही नहीं कि हम इतने टाइम बाद मिल रहे थे. It was the same feeling, same warmth, same friendship, and so I don't want to take much time, and wish you a very happy 40th birthday once again. Love to Arjun and Aisha, and just for you, तुम जियो हजारों साल, साल के दिन हो 50,000. Happy birthday to you, tada. Happy birthday to you, tada.
Hey Reena, happy birthday to you. I really miss you and our Dallas gang. Our tea together, shopping together. Anyways, I wish you many many happy returns of the day. Hopefully next year, we all can meet. All right, enjoy your day. Bye bye.
Hey Reena, wish you a very happy birthday. जन्मदिन की बहुत-बहुत शुभकामनाएं.
May God bless you with health, wealth, and good friends like us.
Welcome to the 40th Club. Bye.
कुछ बातें थी फूलों जैसी, कुछ लहजे थे खुशबू जैसे। मैं शहरे चमन में ठहरूं तो मुझे कुछ दोस्त बहुत याद आते हैं, और उन्हीं में से एक दोस्त जो बहुत ही स्पेशल है मेरे लिए, रीना। एंड टुडे इज़ अ वेरी स्पेशल डे। विश यू अ वेरी हैप्पी 40th बर्थडे। और कुड़िए 40 वाले ग्रुप में वेलकम। बट always stay blessed, stay sexy as you are, and I know you are a girl with golden heart and nothing to mention that eternal beauty. हमारे कॉलेज की सबसे ब्यूटीफुल लड़की, और आज भी you look the same. और मेरे रीना के बारे में यही कहूँगी कि सारी पार्टीज़ हम दोनों ने नॉन डांसर्स होते हुए बहुत इन्जॉय की है, खूब सारी मैगी खाई है, घुड़दौड़ी के चक्कर लगाए हैं, और आई थिंक यू एंड मी, हमारी फ्रीक्वेंसी एकदम मैच करती है। हम एकदम ही क्या बोले, आई लव यू। एन्जॉय योर डे एंड विश यू गुड लक। खूब सारे सरप्राइजेस मिले। आई होप योर फैमिली विल पैम्पर यू विद सरप्राइजेस एंड yeah, enjoy your day and जल्दी से मिलते हैं।
Wish you a very happy birthday, Reena. Stay blessed. Enjoy.
Hey Reena, happy 40th. Have a fabulous birthday. May God bless you with a long and happy, healthy life. Enjoy your day. Lots of love. And yeah, welcome to the 40th club. Bye.
Hey, hi Reena. Many more happy returns of the day. Cheers to 40. It's been few years I've known you, but you're one of the coolest, easygoing and approachable person I've met, and I'm super impressed. Keep rocking. Congratulations once again. And again, here's to 4 decades of awesomeness. So keep rocking, and many more festivals and karwas to celebrate together. Looking forward. Bye.
Happy birthday, Renanti. Hope you have a fantabulous 40th birthday. Have fun!
Happy birthday, Renanti. Wishing you a wonderful birthday filled with lots of fun. Bye.
Happy birthday, Renanti. Hope you have an amazing, fun-filled, milestone birthday.
Happy birthday, Renanti. Have a fantastic birthday.
Happy 40th birthday, Renanti. Hope you enjoy the surprise.
Hello Reena, how are you? Wish you a very, very happy birthday. Here's a cake for you.
Hi Reena, happy birthday to you. We'll cut cake on your behalf. Love you.
Hi Reena, surprise! Wishing you a very, very happy 40th birthday. I hope you are enjoying your surprise birthday party and having a great day. I want to let you know that I feel so lucky to have an awesome friend like you in my life. You're always been so smiley, always smiling, and very friendly, confident, smart, and so much fun to be with. And we had so much great times together in the college. I miss all those times. But I also would like to thank you for being with me in my tough times during college. And when I had health issue, you guys took care of me. And you guys even took me to Meerut for a doctor checkup. I'll always be very grateful for all that help. So, wishing you a very happy birthday and sending a lots of hugs. All the very best. Bye.
Gotta get it right now. Yeah, push all the limits with you right now. Gotta get it right now. Yeah, push all the limits with you right now. Gotta get it right now. Yeah, push all the limits with you right now. Gotta get it right now. Yeah, push all the limits with you right now. Right now, right now. Get it right, right now, right now, right now. Get it right, right now, right now, right now. Get it right, right now. Yeah, push
यार come on.
वो उतार के रख देना.
Okay. Mask.
I don't understand. I mean, now one by one we are going to talk, right?
Just happy birthday, Reena.
Oh, are we starting?
Happy
birthday, Reena.
Happy birthday, Reena.
Happy birthday, Reena. Happy birthday, Reena. I don't think this is good.
No,
okay,
let's do it again.
वापस करते हैं 1 2 3 पे.
ये थोड़ा आगे जाना है नहीं.
And you dance. I will say. You just dance. Which you way. हम भी अगर बच्चे होते नाम अगर नहीं usually 2 बार गाती हूँ first line. I always sing it. और ये एक बार में चल 2 बार. दो बार. वो भी हम बोलते हैं. हम भी अगर बच्चे होते 2 बार.
क्या करें? क्या करें? ठीक है चलो. इसको ऐसा करनी है ना.
Card one of the cards in that corner and then card के ऊपर रख के कर सकते हैं. There is shade है ना. No, in that corner.
quickly
करना चाहिए नहीं तो आसान चले जाएगी. Quickly करना चाहिए. This going from here. See, look. पहले इधर चाहिए इधर चलो. बार दिन ये आए. बार दिन ये गए. तुझे हजारों साल ये मेरी है आरज़ू. Happy birthday to you. ये सब लास्ट में करें. Happy birthday to Reena. Happy birthday to you. हम भी अगर बच्चे होते हम भी अगर बच्चे होते नाम हमारा होता गबलू बबलू खाने को मिलते लड्डू और दुनिया कहती हैप्पी बर्थडे टू यू. हैप्पी बर्थडे टू